You can connect the system to any external app or integration right here. You can add API key types or OAuth. Just add the provider ID, a name, an icon, and you can add that right there. You can take a look at some of the other systems, see how they're set up. For example, we've got about 40 by default, and I'll keep adding more as we integrate, but you can add yours easily there. We've also got the global AI provider screen. This is where you set the AI provider for all of the ANI functionality, so the main ANI chat and the ANI helper screens on the Agents, Workflows, and Tools page. We've also got MCP server integration, so you can add your own custom MCP servers. We support HTTP and standard in and out, and you can also browse the NPM registry here for MCP servers, and there's thousands to choose from there, and all you have to do is click and add server. It's pretty easy. So that's the MCP. If you are on the Pro plan, you get access to the built-in webhooks. We also give you access to the built-in email system and the cloud sync, and here's where you manage the webhooks.